Well, it's kind of cold. It's about 30 degrees, and I figure we'll give this a test to see how it starts in the cold. Usually I have it plugged in. It's plugged into a timer up here, and it turns on at 6 o'clock in the morning, and by 8 o'clock it's ready to go. However, I had to go do some business in town, take care of some things, some errands. So it's not plugged in. It's plugged in, but the timer's been off for a couple hours now, I think, or sometime. So it's 30 degrees. Let's see what she does. I know she'll fire, but just how well is the question. Alrighty. Wait to start. There we are. Runs a little rough until she's warmed up. Need to put my winter tires on. Guess I better unplug this before I forget. Now, there she is. Now we just got a little warm up and we'll be off. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.